Hi there, meeting me again in this CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make web server using Apache2 in smartphone. First, you must install Termux, terminal emulator in Linux. After that, you can open the Termux emulator and update first your package. After update, to upgrade. If you ever upgrade, it will just simple like this. Okay, after that, we must install Apache2. You can using apt install or pkg apt install Apache2 like this. Okay, because I recently installed Apache2, nothing to do by terminal emulator. Then we can make file, for example touch index.html. Okay, for edit we are using nano command. You must install first apt install nano. Okay, I install nano, then edit index.html with nano. You can using tab for fast. Okay, this is web server using Apache2. Okay, sorry, just press Ctrl plus X button and hit Y and then enter to save. Okay, because the Apache2 for htdocs not in this directory, we must move using mv to slice data. You can tap data again and then com.termux. Okay, slice files, slice user, slice share, slice Apache2, slice default site htdocs. Hit enter. I'm sorry, index.html is missing above. Okay, for back to first line or first character, you can using press Ctrl with A like this, and then to move backward you can using Alt plus B like this. I'm sorry, Alt plus F to forward. Okay, index.html. Let's move this file to htdocs. Then we start Apache2, Apache Ctrl admin. Okay, then we can open our localhost using port 8080. This is, I want to using Firefox using http localhost using port okay, you can see there. If you don't trust with I'm doing, I will edit the index.html back to this. and press up arrow keys in here, and Ctrl plus A to back, and press Alt F2 forward. Using this Alt plus F again, and I want to edit using nano, and then Ctrl plus A to end index.html. I want to enter this, and I want to Ctrl plus A. Okay, hello guys. Sorry. Okay, using HTML I can using br command. Okay, Ctrl plus X to save, yes, then enter, and let's reload. Okay, it works. That is guys tutorial how to make web server in your smartphone with very easy. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.